I don't want to add a light this time, though that could be interesting. And I'm going to go ahead and search for something called a rigid body. Once I have it, I'm going to come up and I'm going to click on a rigid body. Make sure we're using a rigid body and not a rigid body 2D. Okay, so we want a plain old rigid body. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cube. And then I'm just going to hit play and see what happens. Yes, Max, we are doing
lag
physics.
a bunch on your screen too, Riley?
No.
No? Okay, well, looked a little chunky.
Let me try that again. That better?
Yeah, a little bit. That's good.
Okay.